Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge, your trusted source for health and wellness insights. Today, we're delving into a topic that, while not the most glamorous, is something we've all encountered: diarrhea. Whether it's a passing inconvenience or a more persistent issue, the discomfort it brings is universal. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to unravel the mystery of how to effectively manage and cure diarrhea. From the common causes to practical solutions, we've got you covered. So, grab a seat, maybe a notepad, and let's navigate the ins and outs of handling this common ailment. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Causes of diarrhea. 1. Bacterial infections. Pathogenic bacteria. Consuming food or water contaminated with harmful bacteria such as Salmonella, E. coli, or Campylobacter can lead to bacterial infections, causing diarrhea. 2. Viral infections. Common viruses. Viruses like norovirus, rotavirus, and certain strains of the flu can cause viral gastroenteritis, resulting in diarrhea. These infections are often highly contagious. 3. Parasitic infections. Parasites in contaminated food or water. Protozoa like Giardia or Cryptosporidium can cause diarrheal illness when ingested through contaminated food, water, or surfaces. 4. Foodborne illness. Contaminated food. Ingesting food that is improperly cooked, stored, or handled can lead to food poisoning and diarrhea. Common culprits include undercooked meat, raw eggs, and unpasteurized dairy products. 5. Dietary factors. Lactose intolerance. Individuals with lactose intolerance may experience diarrhea after consuming dairy products due to an inability to digest lactose. High-fiber diet. While fiber is generally beneficial for digestive health, an abrupt increase in dietary fiber, especially insoluble fiber, can lead to diarrhea in some cases. 6. Medications. Antibiotics. Some antibiotics can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the gut, leading to antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Some medications, especially those that affect the gastrointestinal tract, may have diarrhea as a side effect. 7. Gastrointestinal disorders. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis can cause chronic inflammation in the digestive tract, leading to diarrhea. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. IBS is a functional gastrointestinal disorder characterized by abdominal pain, bloating, and changes in bowel habits, including diarrhea. 8. Stress and anxiety. Psychosocial factors. Emotional stress or anxiety can influence bowel function, potentially leading to diarrhea in some individuals. Understanding the underlying cause of diarrhea is crucial for effective management and treatment. If diarrhea persists or is accompanied by severe symptoms such as dehydration, high fever, or blood in the stool, seeking medical attention is advised. This helps ensure a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment for the specific cause of diarrhea. Dietary recommendations. Certainly, let's explore in-depth dietary recommendations for managing and alleviating diarrhea. 1. Brat diet. Bananas, rice, applesauce, toast. Bananas. Easily digestible and rich in potassium, bananas can help replace lost electrolytes. Rice. Plain white rice is a binding food that can help solidify stools. Applesauce. Applesauce is gentle on the stomach and provides easily digestible carbohydrates. Toast. Plain, white toast is a low-fiber option that can be gentle on the digestive system. 2. Clear fluids and oral rehydration solutions, ORS. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial during diarrhea to prevent dehydration. Sip water throughout the day. ORS. Oral rehydration solutions, available over the counter, contain a mix of electrolytes and glucose, aiding in hydration. 3. Avoiding certain foods. Dairy products. For individuals with lactose intolerance or during bouts of infectious diarrhea, temporarily avoiding dairy products can be beneficial. High fat and spicy foods. These can be irritating to the digestive system and may exacerbate diarrhea. Avoiding fried foods and spicy dishes is advisable. 4. Probiotic-rich foods. Yogurt with probiotics. Yogurt contains beneficial bacteria that can help restore the balance of gut flora. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt with live cultures. 5. Cooked vegetables and lean proteins. Cooked vegetables. Steamed or boiled vegetables are easier to digest than raw ones. Opt for well-cooked carrots, zucchini, or spinach. Lean proteins. Bland, easily digestible proteins like boiled chicken or turkey can provide essential nutrients without exacerbating diarrhea. 6. Low-fiber foods. White bread and crackers. Low-fiber carbohydrates like white bread or crackers can be included as they are less likely to stimulate bowel movements. 7. Electrolyte-rich foods. Broth-based soups. Soups made with clear broth can contribute to hydration and provide essential electrolytes. Coconut water. Rich in potassium and electrolytes, coconut water is a hydrating option. 8. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine. Coffee, tea, and caffeinated beverages can have a laxative effect and may worsen diarrhea. Opt for caffeine-free options. Alcohol. Alcoholic beverages can contribute to dehydration and irritate the gastrointestinal tract. It's important to note that dietary recommendations may vary based on the individual's tolerance and the specific cause of diarrhea. If symptoms persist or worsen, seeking advice from a healthcare professional is recommended. These dietary guidelines aim to provide relief and support the healing process during episodes of diarrhea. In wrapping up, we've navigated the ins and outs of managing and alleviating diarrhea through thoughtful dietary choices. Remember, everyone's body is unique, so these recommendations are general guidelines. If you find yourself grappling with persistent or severe symptoms, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Hydration, easily digestible foods, and giving your gut a bit of a break are key elements to getting back on track. We hope you found these insights helpful in navigating this common discomfort. Now, let's move on to our call to action. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Your support fuels our commitment to bringing you valuable content. For more health and wellness tips, click the link in the description. There, you'll find additional resources and related videos that dive deeper into various aspects of well-being. And of course, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to T's Health and Fitness Lounge for regular updates. Your engagement is what makes this community thrive. Thank you for being a part of our journey, and we look forward to having you with us in the future. Until next time, take care and be well.